Yo, what's up guys? So back with another vlog. Mainly just to say like what I changed on the E36. Haven't done this one in a long time. The last was I think when I put the split wheels on and then was going to drift the car and drive the car more often, but then just time passed by. Never had time to do that type of things and enjoy the car. And then because being a videographer for Lemkes, we decided to pair my car with the Air Jordan 4 white cement release. And with that release, we did the initiation of the new burger joint, or not new but old burger joint, Jack's Burger, and decided to go with the livery. Always wanted to do a livery on the car, and I think it's something unique and it's cool. It's one of my, or two of my favorite brands. Jack's Burger, obviously the best smash burger in Cape Town, and Air Jordan, one of my favorite shoe brands as well. So yeah, let's check it out. So there we have it. That's the livery of the car, with the new wheels, and it's actually very sick. The reason why it says pickle or no pickle, it's the only thing you can get on the menu. It's a smash burger and it's either pickle or no pickle. That's the only choice you have. We have the 23 for Jordan. We have the OG Jack's logo on the car right there. We got the new logo designed by Callan Matthews, and got the Air Jordan, and massive on the roof we got a Jordan sign, and I think that's so sick when you can view it from the above. We got a Jack's logo on the back, and I think it's pretty neat. Let's get low here. That's actually so cool, because like most of the times when people do liveries, they ask what's the story behind it. It's just not about putting stickers there. And yeah, the story is like it's two of my favorite brands, and it's my car. It's my favorite wheel on the car. It's an Inca RPF1, and I think they look so sick when pairing everything together. So let's go through the list of what I've done to the car recently. So Inca RPF1, bought in Pashaba. They are wrapped in Firemax 205/40 17s. That was bought by HiQ Parklands. And yeah, the wheels are 9J wide all around with the ET10, and that's where you get that lovely deep dish center ball. They clear quite nice on the front. Myself and Jason lifted the car before the shoot yesterday, just because, there you go, that's because why I've broken these side skirts into many pieces over the last 2 weeks. Car was way too low. Basically the arch was sitting right there, and that's not a vibe. Well, it is a vibe, but not when you're driving and people are looking at you all the time and you're driving your side skirts off. Yeah, it's just some more evidence here. Show the culprit of running the car too low. Also the extended side skirts. That was from Ish at Empire Performance. Also cracked and broken. But yeah, I actually love this this vibe on the bonnet. It's so cool. So currently still running the Brad Lomax seats with a 4-point Takata harness. vertex steering wheel, short shifter, gear lever, as well as the e-brake. It's inline. So the car is fairly still simple, excuse the dirt. Has the glitter backs, which is so sick, and of course the imported air freshener. It's the Dream Magic, and it's the 60s style butterflies. Future plans for the car, motor wise, I don't know yet. I have an idea in my mind, well, two ideas. One idea, turbo the M50 motor. Second idea, SR20 DT. Third idea, and the SR is before, I know Adam LZ did that, or bought the car with it now. That is way before that, because I always wanted an S6 and my budget didn't allow to get an S6, so went with the E36. Third option, or third idea, is the 350Z motor. So just to pair it well with, like, the car is inspired by Japan, but being a German car, so it's on a play of things like that. That's why all the parts, the wheels, the seats, the setting, everything is inspired by Japanese modifying and car culture. So as you can see, it's still a bit crusty. It's still white in the engine bay, because once I do decide to play around here, that's when we'll paint everything. I want it to be black, because it's just neat and it will hide a lot of things, I hope. So we still got the standard M50. We've got some camber plates in front. The car's still sitting on FK coilovers, and to be honest, I'm hating it. I absolutely hate these coilovers, because I don't know, I've had JOM before. Look, they're not top tier, they're not what they should be or trying to be, but it's absolutely shit, the bottom line. So I'm either gonna go for the static art coilovers, or the BC coilovers, or the Fury coilovers. So that's like what's playing with my head right now. Overall, guys, that's the E36 for now. I'm gonna do some B-roll, some slow-mo shots of the car, and yeah, let's hope I get to drive the car more often, because I literally just needed to stay intact until the shoot. The plan is to drive it more often now to fix the problems. I think the rear main seal's leaking, so yeah, get all these issues sorted, then start driving it more. I do want to put a cage in the car, but yeah, we have to figure all of that stuff out and get it to spec so the car can perform on Killarney correctly. Other than that, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We got some exciting news coming. We're doing some type of collabs, and we're gonna see how we can excite the car scene for the future.